Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the extended back post half double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the regular half double crochet stitch. You will also need to know how to make the extended half double crochet stitch. I have tutorials on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I did make just regular half double crochet stitches. Over here on my hook, I have only made 2 chains so far. I'm going to go ahead and make a regular half double crochet into the first stitch right here. Then I'm going to start my back post one in the next. You're going to start by yarning over your hook. You're then going to insert your hook between the next stitch that you would make and the one that you had previously worked into. You can see I'm inserting my hook behind my work into this open space between them. You're then going to take your hook and you're going to go around the front of that next stitch. And then it's going to poke through the other side around it towards the back, and you're going to grab that yarn and you're going to bring it through the work around that stitch and back through. So it's going to be back behind your work now. You can see how the color is peeking through around that stitch. You're then going to yarn over and you're going to work it just like a regular extended half double. You're going to yarn over, take it through 1 loop only. Yarn over, take it through all 3 loops on your hook. And that's going to be one extended back post half double crochet made. I'm going to do a regular half double in my next stitch. Again, you're going to insert your hook between the previous stitch you had just worked into and then the next, between those 2 posts, and you're going to go around the front of this stitch right here, and your hook is going to point towards the back of your work. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it around that post and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And then you're gonna make a regular half double in between. I'm making regular half doubles in between just to show the contrast between the regulars and the back post. You can see how it's looking. Okay, so we're gonna work in between these 2 stitches right here. You're gonna insert your hook, go around that post, you're gonna go around the front of it, right? That's how it's going to look. You're going to grab that yarn from behind it, you're going to pull it through, pull it in front of that stitch, pull it all the way back. It's going to be coming up through the back of your work. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. I'm going to make it regular in between it. Again, you're going to be working through in between these stitches right here. Okay, take your hook and it's going to go in front of this stitch right here. You're going to grab that yarn from behind your work and you're going to pull it around that stitch. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook between those stitches. You're going to go around the front of that next one that you would normally work into the top of, right? You're going to go around the front of it like this. Grab your yarn, you're going to pull it through your work, around that stitch, and then through your work again towards the back. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook through the back of your work towards the front. Go in between these stitches right here. You're going to insert your hook in front of this one. And then it's going to be inserted into the next open stitch between these 2 right here, and then it's going to go towards the back. You're going to grab your yarn, you're going to pull it through those stitches, around that stitch right here, and again through that open space. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, this is where you're going to insert your work. You're going to go through this open space. You're going to go around this stitch right here over the front of it. Insert your hook into the next open space between those stitches. It's going to look like this. grab that yarn, pull it all the way through. It should go around this little stitch right here. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, I'm just going to make a regular half double in this one. Excuse those little edges right there. Okay, so again, we're going to go through this open space right here. We're going to go around this next stitch. We're going to grab that yarn, we're going to pull it all the way through around that stitch, and it's going to go towards the back again. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3. You can see that the ones that you can see them under here, those are going to be the back post stitches. These are the regular ones. They're sort of raised, the ones that I did between them. And this is how the back of your work is going to look. You can see that it's created some texture because of those back post stitches. And that is going to be how to make the extended back post half double crochet stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future videos or future patterns that you would like to see made into tutorials. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.